Hey everybody, Mr. Ian here, and today we're going to be looking at how to complete the homework activity in Amplify and how to take everything we've done within the lesson and kind of bring it all together and see what's going on with the simulator and a unique simulation mission that we're going to be going through. So within the homework, you're going to be diving into the Amplify icon and you're going to be following all the directions and answering all the questions on the page before turning in the homework assignment, okay? The checklist here shows you kind of what we're going to be doing. You're going to start off with a drag and drop histogram activity. And then there's going to be a question after that you're going to have to complete. From there, you're going to dive into a mutation mission. And then you're going to be screenshotting what happened in the mission and more specifically the analysis page. And then you're going to be answering some questions. So when we dive into the Amplify page here for our homework assignment, it starts off with a loading screen that never ends and a login process that probably makes us want to pull our hair out. But once we finally go through those steps, it's going to take us into the Amplify page homework. You'll see it at the very top. It'll say number 4. And from here, you're going to start off by reading through this information about these two histograms, and you're going to be dragging and dropping these two descriptions into either population A or B. So the histograms have to do with the australopes, the fur that they have or the amount of fur that they have, and the type of environment that they live in. From here, you're going to answer a prediction question that deals with mutation. Okay, so think about what you've learned about mutation and how it applies to the histograms you just read. After that, we're going to complete a simulation. You're going to be diving into the simulator page, and you're going to go into the mutation introduction. Okay, that's one of the missions you have in the top left corner. And you're going to be changing the temperature to cold level 1 by moving the temperature slider, turning on the mutations, okay, in the australopes, fur, and then you're going to be running the observation for 70 generations. So let's take a look at how we do that. We'll click on our activity here. We'll say, no, we don't have an iPad. Once we get in, we're going to go to the top left corner where you see those 3 lines, and we're going to find that mission that says mutation introduction. From there, we're going to go through the same steps that you see in the Amplify page to actually run the mission for 70 generations. So here we go. We click on here. We find mutation introduction. Yes, I want to load it up. We're going to take my temperature slider all the way down to 1. And this is where we go and get our australopes. And we're going to turn on the mutation for the fur. Okay, so mutation introduction, toggle to 1 for the temperature, make it super cold in the environment, australopes mutation on, and then hit the run button. Remember, we're going 70 generations. So you can speed it up by going into here and picking on the 4 and running it until it gets all the way to 70. Okay. You're going to need to screenshot the analysis page for our fur. So when you go to the analysis page, you're going to need to find the fur. I believe it should be on it already. So after 70 generations, you're going to screenshot that for your Amplify page. Okay. So that's how you run the simulator, how you take the screenshot, and then you'll answer these last questions before turning in your work. Give it a go. If you have questions, reach out, or if you want to go through it with me, come to the main lobby. Otherwise, good luck.